Look who I'm with, y'all. Hey, y'all. How you doing? Welcome back to Lynette's Life. I am, of course, yours truly, Lynette, and this is my life. I'm about to take you guys along for the journey to the Firework show here in Natchitoches, Louisiana. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, you know, just come along to my wonderful, crazy life. In the meantime, here's the Fireworks show. Baby, she's driving and filming. She holding traffic up. Child. Girl, imagine this bridge letting go up underneath us. I'm dead. Cause I'm gonna pass out before I hit the ground. That's a fall. Yeah, he worried about snakes. Baby, y'all, he ran to that room. He couldn't wait to get back to that room, baby. With his unmade bed, y'all. But don't judge. He don't like no pillowcase on his pillow, y'all. Don't judge that. He got plenty, but don't use them. He got him a bag of snacks. Bro, you real life got over. I didn't realize you had that many snacks. Good thing they wasn't but $1. So, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
All right, that's your thing, huh? You prefer the fireworks.
Yeah, and also we saw a car like turn off the track.
We didn't see. We saw it aftermath. We saw the aftermath. On our way back home. Oh, y'all see me? On our way back home, there's a set of tracks we have to cross, and there was a car literally like over one of the sets of tracks. Like they had ran off the road, must be, and I don't understand how they had to have been flying or misjudged that turn or whatever it was, because it's a dip, almost like a little mini ditch before you get to the track. So they had to have been really gunning it, or they overcorrected or something and went over the track. Then my cousin say down by where our Walmart is, she say it looked like a whole doggone SWAT team was out there. I'm like, baby, they know them fireworks going on, so people are getting crazy. But anyway, I'm finna go ahead put y'all on the thing so y'all can kind of see my outfit or whatever, cause she cute. Y'all see her? Yes, I got some of my little decorations up. I gotta get some more from over there. I'm gonna hang some tinsel up along the line of the wall and stuff like that or whatever. Boom, check out that big X. Y'all can't even see nothing. But anyhow, hold on. Bam, there it is. Styling and profiling. But yeah, I'm gonna put some more decorations up over there. I have some stuff up over here. I pretty much put up everything that I bought from Dollar Tree, excuse me. But let me show y'all the shoes I was gonna wear with this fit. I was gonna wear these, but I just didn't feel like the struggle of putting those on, honey. And then I got these on, rather. These are Walmart specialty, baby. Yes, ma'am. For like $20. Hello. When it comes to shoes, I tend to go a little cheaper unless it's like heels or boots or something, because I got bad feet and I need something comfortable, and these got Dr. Scholl's built in, baby. The pants are, what are y'all? Because I done had these for a minute. I think these are either Walmart as well or Fashion Nova. I'm not really sure. I think Fashion Nova though, because that's pretty much where I always shop. No, these might be Curvy Sense. I don't know, but I got these from one of those. I want to say I got this from either Fashion Nova or Curvy Sense as well. Those are pretty much my two shopping stores, y'all, for my clothes. Fashion Nova and Curvy Sense. But yeah, this is the fit. How do you like it? This is what he's wearing, all black. He got on his black joggers, which are from Old Navy. He has this Christmas shirt. It's got Santa Claus dunking on the L's. He gonna sit down on y'all. Oh, and he got his shoes. They can't sit up at the bottom. But he got his Jordan. I think those are Jordans or Nikes. No, those are Nikes. And that shirt also came from Old Navy as well. Yeah, he be clowning. We were gonna match. I was going with my black pants, but they didn't got too big for me, y'all. So since he got Christmas themed shirt, I put on a red shirt. But yeah, you're free to go, sir. Thank you. You gotta shake a butter in it. Flip it over. You do better flipping it. Alright, y'all, so that was the fireworks show. I hope you guys enjoyed. Excuse the new setup. I got it on a tripod. I ain't feel like putting it in that. But that's Negative City of Lights. I really, didn't have much that I was doing today. I was supposed to go to the car show. I didn't make it, but I decided to take y'all along since my baby wanted to go for the fireworks and bring y'all along for the journey. We couldn't get in the spot that we wanted to. We wanted to be downtown, but traffic was awful. And by the time we did find parking, we had just enough time to walk to the area where we ended up. We were on the bridge, so there you will see some cars passing through because they didn't shut down one of the bridges because quite naturally people have to get to their homes and stores and stuff like that. People get to work and all of that. So yeah, pretty much that was it. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, share with your people so they can share with their people. People, come on, let's help this beautiful family of gems grow. In the meantime, in between time, y'all already know what it is. I holla.